General Cavi is today one of the few production groups whose whole cycle is certified. General Cavi manufactures its conductors using the wire drawing process, which is a moulding process which causes a change in the shape of the unprocessed starting material through deformation due to the effects of forces imparted by equipment and moulds, dies, with holes of a progressively decreasing diameter, which reduce the cross-section. The volume of the wire remains constant, as wire drawing is a process which does not remove material. With a reduction in diameter, it is possible to obtain an increase in length. General Cavi is the only factory in the world with a multi-wire machine, allowing 56 wires to be drawn at the same time. Once the metallurgical processing is complete, the cable moves to the plastic processing area. After manufacturing the conductor, the copper with a precise cross-section is subjected to an extrusion process. This mainly consists of compressing the material in a doughy condition, forcing it to pass through a mould template, which reproduces the external shape of the piece to be obtained. If the cross-section of this is hollow, a core will be present, which will reproduce the outline of the internal cavity. On leaving the mould, the material is cooled, or in the case of rubber, subjected to vulcanization. The compression of the material upstream from the mould is achieved for rubber and plastic using equipment with single or double worm screws, which push the material towards the extrusion head. In the case of plastic, the material is added in granules, the heat produced by friction and electrical resistances causing it to melt. General Cavi has extruders suitable for co-extrusion processes, in which different materials which come out from the mould together are processed at the same time, in order to obtain, for example, rubber fillings and PVC coatings or surface colourings for PVC. Not everyone knows that General Cavi produces a series of cables for medium voltage and for low voltage. In the electrical energy distribution system, medium voltage is used in intermediate stretches between the stations, which receive high voltage from the long-distance power lines, and the final substations for low voltage supply. The medium voltage cables are composed of conductor. This is composed of soft copper, aluminium or aluminium alloy wires. Insulation. The insulation of the recently produced and installed cables is extruded and composed of synthetic rubber. Semiconductive layers. In cables with rated earth surface voltage, UO, greater than 3.6 kilovolts, the presence of two semiconductor layers is obligatory. Internal, position between the conductor and the insulant. External, i.e., position between the external surface of the insulant and the metal screen. The semiconductor provides a smooth surface facilitating electrical contact with the metal screen, thereby ensuring electrical separation between the core of the cable and the external environment. All medium voltage cables must have metal screens, which may be individual on each core or collective where the cores meet. The standard provides the manufacturing characteristics of the various types of armour allowed and the physical, chemical characteristics for the various materials affected. The advantages of metal armour include the ability to resist better in the case of high pulling